Trader is back with another video. For today's video, I wanted to show you one of my favorite indicator now in binary option trading. So this technique is work. So I've been update this video already in my IQ options channel. So now in Olymp trade channel, and I want to show you about these indicators as well. You know, it's pretty simple, and it's very useful tips to making profit in binary option trading. Okay, so three factors again. If you are following me on my Knowledge Show channel, so you already know that these techniques have been shown already in IQ option. I just want to prove with you that this technique also working with Olymp trade. Okay, no matter what platform you are using, but it's still a useful technique in any platform, in any broker. Okay, so the basic very simple. So three simple steps. First, we check on our graph right here. So for our graph, we're not using candlestick. Okay, so change your candlestick to Heikin Ashi. Okay, so we put our graph here to Heikin Ashi. Pretty easy. Look into the Heikin Ashi because Heikin Ashi graph tell us about the trend. The green, it means an uptrend. The red, it means a downtrend. So when the colors change, so ready to go on to the next reversal trend. Okay, so now we see it's green, so we wait for the green to change to be red. Then it's give us a signal of down reversal. That's one thing on the Heikin Ashi, and the other one we look into the D marker. Okay, so you can use D markers. It's pretty the same to this one. D marker also telling about overbought and oversold, 80-20%. Here I use a stochastic oscillator, pretty the same to D marker. It's a D trend oscillator as well. So this is the overbought now. I want this line to cross back down. Okay, after this cross back down the overbought on the top, then it's a sign of we are going on to sell. Okay, here in stochastic oscillator, it shows a red one. It means it's overbought, and then soon it will become reversal. So pretty soon. So once the price of any stock of any currency getting into a place called overbought, and then oversold is coming pretty soon. So we wait for this to cross below 80% overbought. Okay, and the same thing in reversal. We also waiting for it to cross back, above oversold 20%. Okay, here is the number exactly right there, and then we will also apply for the MACD. So go into your MACD indicator, set it into 12 period. Maybe you can change it to 13 periods. I think it's will be the same here, and so the rest will be the same. This is a signal line 9. You can put it, but I don't want to put it, and the MACD line I don't want to put it too. So I don't want to show this to you because it will create some confusion. So it is best to just take it off, but also only leave this histogram open so that we can see. This histogram show us if the histogram cross below 0, so it means it's time to go on sell. It means below 0 it's a negative, so it's a time to go on sell, and above 0 it means it's a positive. So it's time to go on buy. So that's pretty simple. These three factors, it's pretty good to go. Okay, for today, I want to make this video quick and easy. So I will do 3 trade. Okay, 2 or 3 trade, maybe 3 trade. Okay, I want to see how many percentages of the right and the wrong, in this trade. Now we can see that our Heikin Ashi about to change the color. So wait for it to confirm it's going to be red. After we got that confirmed, we go into a stochastic oscillator. We wait for it to cross below 80% overbought, and then we look into our MACD and wait for the MACD to cross below 0 line. That is the signs of okay. So here we see they are crossing back here. we got something down there, and still the MACD, just only MACD alone, then we good to go onto the fall. After this one we will go on to sell. Okay, again here, this is my real account. The demo is on top, so if you don't have Olymp trade yet, you can create your account. The link is below there, so you can just click there and create your account and practice on your demo account with this strategy, because I want to know if this strategy is working in Olymp trade as well. So leave the comment down below, after you are using these techniques, and what is your feedback. So I would like to hear your feedback regarding to this technique. Okay, pretty not confirmed just yet, because our MACD is not below 0 yet. So the good thing that we don't go on to sell, because if we go on to sell, we will lose right there. That's the reason we're waiting for this 3 signal to cross. So now we got one signal here is stochastic oscillator cross overboard. They are about like below 80%. It's pretty good, but still Heikin Ashi change back into green, so it's not a time to go on to sell just yet. It's still telling us it's a time to go on to buy, so still wait for that. Wait for that. So be patient, guy. I always say that, trader, you have to practice your patience. So now we have our Heikin Ashi back into red one, a pretty good sign. And then we got our stochastic oscillator below 80% now. You can see very clear here, 80% below, pretty good. And our MACD still one more candle to get below this 0 line. After this get below 0 line, then we go on to sell. Okay, bear with me. We wait for this process to be ready for us to get into our trade. You can put the duration to 2 minutes or 1 minute. It's really up to you. For me, I'll put this into 1 minute. Okay, almost crossing. So this is 18 seconds, 15, 14 seconds left. So ready to go and sell, guys. Three, two, one, let's go. Boom. Okay, I'm going on sell. Everything is ready for the sell. It's pretty looking good, pretty looking great right here. You can see that it's below 80%, and then the MACD also below 0. It's pretty awesome. It's pretty good entry. Okay, let's wait for this one if we are correct. Awesome. So we're in profit right here. So after close the deal, we got our $50 in profit. So it is working, guys. So we got one trade correct. So it's look like it's much more onto the bearish signs. It's pretty good. So we are trading on gold. Pretty awesome. We go into Dow Jones. Still look like more onto the downtrend, because the MACD is switched, the trend already. Okay, but this one we have we don't have enough signal here, but if we look into a stochastic oscillator, is kind of off already. It's pretty, I think it's more like to wait for this to cross the red line out. This is also one of the sign to buy as well. So but we needed to wait for our stochastic oscillator to cross the overboard and then up. When it's crossed up, it's also a buy, and up signal, and we also wait for the MACD as well to cross above 0 line, and then our Heikin Ashi have to be green. That's it, guys. Now it's kind of a little too far from our overboard section. So when it's a little too far from the overboard section, so be patient and wait. Okay, today there's a 90% profit return in my fixed time here. It's only 2, trading on gold and also trading on Dow Jones index. So there's only 2 assets available for me on 90%, but 80% maybe more. 87% right here. There's another 80% here, because I don't want you to trade to take profit less than 80%. Okay, above 80% is the best profit targets you should set up there. So we got 1 trade correct, so let's wait for more. So now we got this blue line is about to cross this up. It's pretty good sign to buy. And the next thing, we wait for our MACD. MACD have to like cross to 0 or above 0. That is the signs of a bull. Okay, look pretty good. Be aware that this also have resistance, okay, because if you don't look well into resistance, you might lose our trade at the resistance up there. Okay, because okay, let's put my horizontal line right there. We want to see our resistance. Now let's cross now, and then the MACD is about to cross the 0 line. It's pretty good. After this one, we get onto the up. Again, if it's too close to this resistance, it's not good as well to go onto up, because one has got rejection from the resistance above, then the price will fall. So that's why I don't want you to risk your money around this area. But if it's too far right here, not reach this resistance just yet, so it still have some time, to get into an up. So now it seems like it's ready to go up. Okay, let's go up for this one, because it's still far from our resistance, not close. Is it far or that close? If that is too close to this resistance, I will not take my trade, because pretty risky to resistance areas. After the price reach that resistance level, they will fall back down. So let this go. If this one below this lets me go to another one, maybe stay around here. Yeah, around here. So it's great if they stay around there. So it's a great place to go. But if like this one, maybe the price should stay below there, and then we can go up. Yeah, right there. Okay, pretty good. It's a sign that we can go up, because MACD, look at our MACD here. It's crossing 0 now. Pretty good crossing. Let's go on to up. Because it stay this 0 line, it's about to cross that one. But if that close to that resistance, that's what I'm concerned. When it's come close to this resistance, it will fall. That is a normal thing, That's why for us as trader, we look into any possible outcomes in our trade, because if we are trading up close to this resistance, we can wrong as well. But it seems like I am too close to this resistance. Maybe we'll see. The price start to reject around there. They coming up and then they reject back down. So it's pretty risky. I can say that for you, my friend. Do not do something like this, because it's too risky, and then you may lose your trade right there. But for me, it seems like it's lucky. Okay, awesome. So 2 trades, right? So we got almost $100 now. So this will be my last trade. Then we got our to $100. So see guys, 2 trade already correct. So let's see number 3, because I can say that this technique is work for almost like I can say 90% you can make profit out of it if you are doing this, using this strategy in your trade, especially for our new trader, for our beginners. This technique is working so perfect for them. Okay, now we see that Heikin is back to the red. And the best thing we are trading is that we look into the MACD is already below 0. That is negative already. So MACD is below 0. It's mentioned that the graph is already in a negative sign. And then we see this below 80%. That is another great sign. Okay, so the best way to go on to fall. So let me go on to fall around this, well, because I want this one to finish and then we can go on to sell. So this will be my last trade. Okay, let's see this one, because MACD below 0, and then Stochastic oscillator cross back below overboard. When it's below overboard, it's a good sign to go on to sell. And then our Heikin back into the red color, that is a good sign to go into sell. Okay, let's try for last trade. We'll find out. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. Boom, right there, sell. Okay, we'll find out for 3 trade. Even though we lose 1, we still have a 75% win rate. But if we win all of this, so it's 100% win rate. So it's a pretty great technique that you can apply in your binary option trading, because this technique is working pretty awesome for me. Okay, we got to almost winning, so wait for this to end. Awesome guys, so 3 trade, win all 3, so it's work for 100% guys. So the technique is working pretty well. So in 3 trade, I win all 3. Okay guys, let me know in the comment section down below how you use it, if you use it correctly or not. So you can chat in our Telegram group, because in the group you can talk to each other, to many other traders as well in the group will share their experience about this strategy. Looking forward to hear from you. So if you find out that this video is help, so don't forget to hit like button down below. Make sure that you leave it green, okay? Oh, make sure that you leave it blue. And if you are new to the channel and you're not subscribed yet to the channel, so please do so, because more video, more strategy is coming on the way during this week, and new days and more days to come. That's it guys for today, and wish you have an amazing day. Bye bye.